everyone. Respected Jaydev sir, dear parents, our esteemed teachers, valued non-teaching staff, and our little stars. A very warm welcome to all of you for the second part of the annual day celebration of our preschool. A joyful occasion that marks yet another year of growth, learning, and happy memories. I'm Shweta, your host for this delightful evening, and it is truly an honor to be part of the 4th annual day celebration of Happy Childhood Montessori Preschool. It is themed Echoes of Music and Dance. Annual Day holds a special place in the hearts of a happy childhood family. It gives a wonderful opportunity for our little stars to step onto the stage, express themselves, and build confidence through dance, music, and movement. Every performance you witness today reflects their innocence, enthusiasm, and weeks of joyful practice. For our children, today is more than just a performance. It is about feeling proud, being applauded, and celebrating their achievements with the people they love the most. With the guidance of our dedicated teachers and the inspiring vision of our founder, our little ones are all set to shine. We sincerely thank our dear parents for your constant support and trust. At Happy Childhood Montessori Preschool, we nurture not only bright minds, but also kind hearts. Where creativity blossoms, friendships grow, and confidence flourishes. Today's performances beautifully capture that spirit. So, dear parents, sit back, relax, and enjoy as the little stars light up the stage with melody and magic. Our little stars are ready backstage, but before the magic begins, I would like to invite Supraja ma'am to join me and take us through this wonderful program together. Please, can you all give a big round of applause for Supraja ma'am?
Thank you, Shweta. So, good evening, everyone. So, myself Supraja, and it's truly pleasure to be a part of this wonderful celebration, and I promise you an evening filled with smiles, sparkle, proud moments for parents and also for us, as the children are going to perform with their cute performances that will truly melt us, because our kiddos are about to lit up this stage with their confidence, energy, and charm.
I've seen that our junior and senior KG children have been practicing brilliantly for this big day. I'm excited to watch them. So tell us, Supraja, what's in line?
So yes, Shweta, they have practiced enthusiastically for this big day and are all ready to present them in front of all of us, and especially the people they love the most. This evening celebration opens up with a divine segment. Our young children will take us on a spiritual journey with prayers to Lord Ganesha through stotra, a bhajan, and a delightful Bal Ganesha dance presentation. And this will be followed by an elegant Yogi Nritya representing cosmic dance of Lord Shiva, the first yoga guru. The program also includes a special dance performance on Kyuti, Kana, and meaningful recitations of Bhagavad Gita, shlokas highlighting values, faith, and righteous living. Later, our stars of the day will rock and roll as they lit up the stage with vibrant and dynamic fusion performances, bringing the energy and excitement to this evening. A lively dance, special dance by Junior Ramcharan is also coming up. So, are you ready to melt from the cuteness that's coming on your way?
Totally, I'm ready. Seems like we have some wonderful programs lined up for the evening, and it's going to be a memorable day filled with joy and laughter. I can't wait to dive into the fun with all of you today.
So, me too, Shweta. So, firstly, we will begin by seeking the blessings of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the symbol of wisdom and success. Today, our senior KG children will chant a sacred Ganesha Stotra, filling the atmosphere with devotion and positivity. Now, here I welcome our senior KG children to grace the stage Parents, please put your hands together to welcome our senior KG children onto the stage.
Sankirtana. That was truly a lovely beginning to our celebration, a peaceful and prayerful offering to Lord Ganesha. Thank you, children. Let's appreciate them with a big round of applause. Supraja, so what do we have coming up next?
Yeah, Shweta, continuing with our prayers to Lord Ganesha, our junior KG children will now present a Ganesha bhajan, seeking his blessings for a joyful and successful journey ahead. Now, here, I welcome our junior KG A and B batches together onto the stage. So let's welcome our junior KG A and B batches together onto the stage.
Ganapati, 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 Parayama. Ganapati, Gunapati, Gajapati, Mamapati, Varapati, Suryapati, Parayama. Ganapati, Bala Ganapati, Nartana Ganapati, Gambira Ganapati, Vatapi, Ganapati, 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 Palagama. Ganapati, Gunapati, Gajapati, Mamapati, Varapati, Suryapati, Parayama. Ganapati, Balara, Ganapati, Nartana, Ganapati, Gambira, Ganapati, Vatapi.
Parents, wasn't that a lovely performance? It was so adorable. Our children truly filled the stage with devotion and joy. Let's applaud them for this beautiful performance. A big round of applause. Much louder. This row is not clapping hard enough. So Supraja ma'am, I've heard that Lord Ganesha is not only the remover of obstacles, but also known for his innocence and playful childhood, spreading happiness wherever he goes.
Yes, Shweta. Yes, Shweta. As a child, he was truly adorable and delightfully naughty. Now, get ready to enjoy an adorable Bal Ganesha dance performance that beautifully portrays Lord Ganesha dancing joyfully to the beats of Lord Shiva's Damru. This performance celebrates his playful nature, his loving bond with Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati, and his little companion Mushika. And now they all are set in the middle of the majestic peaks of Mount Kailash, presented by our junior KGB children. This dance has been choreographed by our dance teacher, Shubha ma'am. Here, I welcome our junior KGB Shiva, Ma Saraswati, Mushika, along with their companions to grace this stage. Parents, are you ready to watch the show?
शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम। अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो, अजय हो। शंकर जी का डमरू बाजे, पार्वती का नंदन नाचे। बर्फीले कैलाश शिखर पर जय गणेश की धूम। मन भावन नटखट मूषक गण सब भागे हैं सरपट। हो मनमोहक मन भावन नटखट मूषक गण सब भागे हैं सरपट। विघ्न विनायक संकट मोचन वक्रतुंड कजरारे लोचन। झूमे गाए बाल गणेश भक्त जनों के कटे कलेश। सुनकर इतना ज्यादा शोर, पार्वती आई उस ओर। डरकर माता उमा के आगे दुम दबाकर मूषक भागे। पर अपनी धुन में मस्त गजानन थिरक रहे हैं भूल के तन मन।
गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया। Wow, that was a mesmerizing performance For a moment, I truly felt like I was at Mount Kailash. Our little Bal Ganesha and the troop won our hearts with their charm, energy, and their expressions. Don't you all agree? Let's give them a big round of applause for this delightful performance. After Ganesha, what's next in our divine segment?
Now, we pray to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, learning and the arts. With folded hands and pure hearts, our little ones now come together to seek blessings of Goddess Saraswati through the devotional song, Hey Sharade. Let us welcome their prayerful offering with our heartfelt applause as they take up the stage. This dance has been choreographed by our dance teacher Shubha ma'am. So now I would like to welcome our senior KG and junior KG 8 tutees onto the stage for Hey Sharade.
Please give them a big round of applause and welcome them to the stage.
ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲೇ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚರಿಸು ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟರೇನು ಆ ದೇವದಾನೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ
Parents, please, louder, put your hands together. That was a truly divine performance. May Goddess Saraswati bless our little ones with wisdom, confidence, and creativity. Thank you, children, for this beautiful performance. Let's give them a big round of applause. Supraja, I can already feel the positive vibes, a sense of calmness and cosmic energy in the air.
Yes, Shweta. Next, our children will present Yogi Nritya inspired by Lord Shiva, the Adi Yogi, the first and the foremost Yoga Guru, symbolizing supreme stillness and strength. Yogi Nritya is a beautiful fusion of yogasanas and graceful, expressive movements that channel prana, the life source within us. It is rooted in the belief that Ritya is yoga and yoga is Ritya. Lord Shiva is not only worshipped as deity but revered as Adi Guru, who gave humanity the wisdom and path for inner evolution. This performance has been choreographed by our yoga teacher Lakshmi Manjunath. Here I welcome our senior KG and junior KG A and B yogis onto the stage. Parents, please put your hands together to welcome our yogis.
दूर उस आकाश की गहराइयों में एक नदी से बह रहे हैं आदि योगी। शून्य सन्नाटे टपकते जा रहे हैं, मौन से सब कह रहे हैं आदि योगी। बज उठे ये मन सितारी, झनन 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 झनन। सांस शाश्वत झनन झनन, प्राण रुंजन झनन झनन। सांस शाश्वत झनन झनन, प्राण रुंजन झनन झनन। सांस शाश्वत झनन झनन, प्राण गुंजन झनन झनन। उतर मुझ में आदि योगी, भोग धारा छलक छन छन। सांस शाश्वत झनन झनन, प्राण गुंजन झनन झनन। उतर मुझ में आदि योगी, उतर मुझ में आदि योगी।
Wow, that was a powerful and truly inspiring. Our little yogis beautifully reflected peace, discipline, and the spirit of yoga through their graceful movements. Let's appreciate them with a big round of applause. Supraja, what about the special performances? Is this the Yogi Nritya you mentioned earlier?
No, Shweta. Do you remember who performed for Lord Shiva last year?
Yeah, that was Ragashri, right?
Absolutely. This year, she welcomes Lord Krishna with grace and devotion through Swagatam Krishna. Through her expressive movements, she lovingly praises Lord Krishna and invites him here to our celebrations with lots of innocence and devotion. This dance has been beautifully choreographed by her aunt Smith Balatripura Sundari, a renowned A-top graded Kuchipudi exponent from Andhra Pradesh. Her choreography blends rhythmic footwork, expressive abhinaya, and storytelling, making this piece a beautiful showcase of devotion and artistry.
That's wonderful.
Yes, Shweta, presenting our one very own Ragashri as she gracefully takes the stage. Here, I welcome our Abhinaya angel Ragashri from senior KG onto the stage.
ತಕತರಿ ಕುಕುಂದನ ಕಿಟ ತಕಧೀಂ
ಕಿಟತಕಧೀಂ ದಿಂತಕ್ಕಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕಡದುಂ ದಿಂತಕ್ಕಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕಡದುಂ
ತಕತರಿ ಕುಕುಂದನ ಕಿಟ ತಕಧೀಂ
ತಕ್ಕಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕದಿವಿ ತಕ್ಕಡದುಂ ತಕ್ಕದಿವಿ
ತಕತರಿ ಕುಕುಂದನ ಕಿಟ ತಕಧೀಂ
ತಕಜಂ ಕಿಟಕಿ ತಕ್ಕಡದಕ ತಕಜಂ ತಕಜಂ ತಕಜಂ
ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶರಣಾಗತಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣ
din din ta takadin tatakita takadin din ta din ta takadin tatakita takadin din ta din ta takadin tatakita takadin din ta din tajam kita takatari kita dum ta kita takatari kita dum ta kita takatari kita dum ta takajam jam takadiga dunak din ta takadiga dunak din takadibi takaduna din ta tajam tajam takat
मुष्टिकासुरचानूर मल्ल मल्ल विशारद कुवलय पीठ मर्दन कलिंग नर्तन वपुल रक्षण सकल सुलक्षण देवा शिष्ट जनपाल संकल्प कल्प कल्प शतकोटि असम पराभव धीर मुनि जन विहार मदन सुकुमार दैत्य संहार देवा मधुर मधुर रति साहस साहस ब्रज युवती जनमानस पूजित मधुर मधुर रति साहस साहस ब्रज युवती जनमानस पूजित शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण
Wow. What a grateful and heartwarming performance. Ragashri beautifully expressed devotion through her dance. Let's give her a big round of applause.
So, Shweta, did you notice one thing?
Yeah?
Yeah, it was like the choreographer, whoever, like Ragashri's aunt, she was sitting down the stage, and I really felt she was so proud, looking at Ragashri.
Oh, she has to be proud. It was such a beautiful performance.
Parents, once again, please
Big
put
round
your
of
hands
applause.
together for the wonderful performance.
I'm also equally proud because our kids are so talented.
That's true. That, it takes time for them to shine.
Yeah, and we have given them a wonderful stage
Platform
for
as
that,
well.
right?
That's true. Okay. So, Shweta, Lord Krishna is not just about cuteness and naughtiness. Through the sacred teachings of Bhagavad Gita, he gave us timeless lessons of karma, dharma, and maintaining balance in life, guidance that remains deeply relevant even today.
That's so true. And are children presenting something special now?
Yes, Shweta. We now presenting a meaningful recitation of Bhagavad Gita shlokas by our senior KG children. These sacred verses teach us important values, faith, and trust in life. So now, here, I welcome our senior KG tutees once again onto this stage. Please put your
give them-
hands together.
welcome them onto the
To
stage.
welcome them.
Good namaskara. My name is Chitrasri. Today we are reciting Bhagavad Gita shloka from chapter 2 verse 47. Kanmanye vadika ma phalesu kadachana ma karma phal heturbur ma te sango swakarmani. Do your best in everything you do, but don't worry about the result. What? Namaskara. My name is Sai Edward. We are reciting Bhagavad Gita shloka from chapter 4 verse 7. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanit bhavatu bharata abhyudanam adharmasya kadarmanam shijamyaham. It means whenever good values fade, bad ones rises, I come to help and protect goodness. Dhanyavad. Sarvana Namaskar. My name is Ridhanya. My name is Rachita. We are reciting Bhagavad Gita shloka from chapter 9 verse 34. धन्यवाद। सभी को नमस्कार। सभी को नमस्कार। My name is Rihan. My name is Jasmine. We are reciting Bhagavad Gita shloka from chapter 15, verse 14. अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देवमाश्रितः प्राणापानसमायुद्धः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधम्. It means I am the energy in everyone's body that helps them eat and stay healthy. धन्यवाद. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಣಕಂ. My name is Ragashri. My name is Rashmika. We are reciting Bhagavad Gita shloka from chapter 18, verse 66. सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. It means trusting God with all your heart, He will protect you. Nandri.
Wasn't that inspiring, parents? Our children did a wonderful job presenting these powerful verses with such clarity and confidence. Let's appreciate them with a warm round of applause. What a beautiful and soul-soothing divine segment that was. The prayers, devotion, and calmness filled this evening with such positive energy. Our little ones truly brought purity and grace to the stage.
So, and now, while we carry those blessings in our hearts, now it's time to add little sparkle, rock and roll moments. Don't you think so, Shweta?
Oh, yes. From divine vibrations to dynamic celebrations, it's time to turn up the energy.
So, beautiful ladies and charming gentlemen, so get ready to switch gears and step into the world of dreams, dance, and delight. So, up next, our adorable senior KG and junior KG superstars are all set to light up the stage with their dazzling moves for the rocking music with enthusiasm, cute moves, sweet smiles, and plenty of awe moments. So, sit tight, clap along, and let's dive into the world of peppy fusion beats. So, keep your applause ready and your smiles wide because our little dancers are about to take over the stage.
Supraja, have you noticed how the Bangalore weather seems to be getting hotter day by day? But right now, I suddenly feel a cool breeze. I can almost smell the rain in the air. It feels like monsoon shower is just around the corner. Wait, let me go grab my umbrella. You
Oh,
want one?
Oh, Shweta, why do we need umbrellas? So let's just drench ourselves into the joy of rain, especially in this summer heat. So parents, are you ready? Yes, get ready to experience a splash of fun. Our junior KG 8 girls are here to bring the magic of rain onto the stage with the colorful umbrellas, adorable steps, and bright smiles. So let's enjoy this delightful drizzle of joy. This dance has been choreographed by Nivedita and team. So now here I welcome our cute ballerinas from junior KGA onto the stage. Parents, please put your hands together to welcome our cute ballerinas.
I didn't ask for a free ride. I only asked you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up. You showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me. Water like misery. It's coming down on me. I'm ready, rain on me.
Wasn't that absolutely ringtastic? Our little girls danced their hearts out and made it shower smiles all around. Let's give them a big splashy round of applause. Supraja, after that splashy experience, I feel like having something garam garam.
So, sorry Shweta, I can't serve you anything hot to eat, but I can definitely heat up the stage with an energetic performance by Ram Charan.
What? Ram Charan on the stage? I'm super excited.
So, well, Shweta, our mega power star Ram Charan has become a true pan-Indian star. While I may not able to bring the real star onto the stage today, I can certainly present the junior Ram Charan of Happy Childhood.
Woohoo! I prefer our junior Ram Charan actually.
So parents, to rise the energy and excitement of this evening, we have a special performance by Vivan Chakravarti from Junior KG B. Imitating the dynamic style and powerful screen presence of Ram Charan, this dance promises a power-packed moves, electrifying energy and lots of cheers. So let's encourage him with a huge round of applause.
Come on,
Now,
parents,
here
you
I
can.
welcome the Junior Ram Charan of Happy Childhood.
Oh, la 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 la. Oh, la 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 la. ఆ చంద్రుల్లో బుక్క చారిందేది నక్క నా ఒళ్ళంతా ఆడిందే తైతక్క దీనందాలో తిక్క దీనేశాలో తిక్క నా గుండెల్లో పొత్తాందే ఉక్క ఓ చికిరి 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 పడతా 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 వెనకే పడతా సరుకు సమాడు చూసి నీ సందేశి ఏసేకే కాతిగిరి గిరి గుంటే సురకెక్కి సాక ముందు వెనక ఈడే గాలి కొక్కేసిందే
energetic and electrifying performance that was. Vivaan truly entertained us with his confidence and amazing moves. He's not just Junior Ramcharan. I feel he's the perfect blend of all pan-Indian dancing stars. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
That's true, Shweta. So we just witnessed a true pan-Indian star performance, and now I'm going to take you across India. Are you ready?
Really? I'm going to go get my bags, huh?
So, oh no, Shweta, no need of packing anything. It's okay, we are not traveling anywhere physically. We are about to journey through music and dance, where I will introduce you to some pan-Indian superstars. So, parents, hold on tight because the energy is about to soar. Our senior KG stars are all set to rock the stage with super cool pan-Indian trending beats and iconic steps. This dance has been choreographed by Shushmita and Supreja. So get ready for a power-packed performance. Here I welcome our pan-Indian superstars from senior KG. It's okay, parents, actually our children are getting ready for the next performance. Before we witness the performance, I would like to ask parents to please come onto the stage and to share your experience with Happy Childhood. So if anybody would like to, please come onto the stage. So I think you are eagerly waiting for the show, but we have to wait for another 5 minutes.
कमल बाइसु शुरुआत तंटे येटो पक्का लोकल बीट ही गड्ड पंगुची स्टार्ट कमल बाइसु let's start the local dance all the Apu fans शुरू मार the local dance शक्तिमानु छोटा भीमु निन्न हागे same to same Superman Batman ನೀನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು
ಅಪ್ಪ ಜೇಮ್ಸು ಬಾಂಡು ಮಗ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡು ಸೌಂಡು ಬಂದ ಕಾಜ್ನೂರ್ ಗಂಡು
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, we all love you, Baba Star.
Come on, parents. Put your hands together.
चलिए चिंकाना चलिए चिंकाना ரெண்டுல ஒண்ணு பார்க்கலாம் நிக்கிறியா தெம்பா எப்பவும் லைஃப் திரும்பலாம் நம்புறியா நண்பா எப்பா ரெண்டுல ஒண்ணு பார்க்கலாம் நிக்கிறியா தெம்பா எப்பவும் லைஃப் திரும்பலாம் நம்புறியா நண்பா யாரு இங்க வந்தாலும் பயமுறுத்தி பார்த்தாலும் அசராம சிரிச்சாம ஒதுங்கி போவாண்டா அத்தனையும் போனாலும் எம்டியா தான் நின்னாலும் பதறாம இருந்தாட பீஸ்ட் நீ தாண்டா ராமம்மா ஹே ராமம்மா சலிய ஜுங்கானா ராசம்மா ஹே ராசம்மா கேடுங்கானா ராமம்மா ஹே ராமம்மா
Come on, parents. Put your hands together.
சொன்னது சர்தானா சர்தானா
ಸರ್ದಾಪ
ஜலிய ஜுங்கானா
అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే రాజుల కాలం కాదు రథము గుర్రం లేవు అద్దం ముందర నాతో నేను యుద్ధం చేస్తా అంటే గాజుల చేతులు చాపి దగ్గరకొచ్చిన నువ్వు చెంపల్లో చిటికేసి చక్రవర్తిని చేసావే చిన్నగా చినుకు తుంపరడిగితే కుండ పుట్టగా తుఫాను తెస్తే మాటగా మల్లె పువ్వు నడిగితే ముద్దగా పుల తోటగా పైనొచ్చి పడితివే బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే వేలి నిండా నన్ను తీసి పట్టు పెట్టుకుంటివే గాలికి పువ్వు నేను నెత్తి నెట్టుకుంటివే ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट चाहे तू पहाड़ी बटोमा छम छमे पायल घुंगरू बजने त्यारे खुटमा ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट चाहे तू पहाड़ी बटोमा छम छमा पायल घुंगरू बजने त्यारे खुटमा लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छनहरा लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छनहरा चुनरी तेरी आए हाय चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा अरे चुनरी तेरी चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा
एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते गिफ्ट एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते गिफ्ट Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. The already start. Killing by eyes. The OG gangster. I love to the passion, to viral sensation, representing nation. Pannakre hazar. It is saadi simple, tari this the stylish. Tuja samor fiki baby Billy. Stylish to the diamond. Tuja saati kai pan tuja nakare high pan. I like it. To the nose pin, earring, eyelashes bling bling. Highlight of blush on lipstick, pink pink. Hey my jigar, hey jane jigar, hey chamak challo mein tuja king. जादू मंतर हा मंतर तुझा स्वॅग ओजी ओजी हाय तुझी कंबर एक नंबर तुला 100 पैकी एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते
Slow it down.
ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी
एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी
ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी
लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी
ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा
लगा सनसेट है भाई तेरा फुल सेट है मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को ठुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे 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 Let's not show.
Parents, come on.
Everybody, let's not show. Chalo macho. Let's not show. Everybody, let's not show. Not show. Everybody, let's not show.
Wow, that was a fantastic performance. Parents, what do you think? Yeah, don't you all agree with me? Louder! That performance was full of power, style, and confidence. Our senior KG children truly rocked the stage. Let's cheer loudly for these young superstars. Let's give a hoo-hoo! Supraja, do you hear that sound?
Sound? No, I don't hear anything. Parents, do you hear anything?
But I can. I can hear a ribbit, ribbit. I think there's something crazy that is going to hop onto the stage.
Oh, Shweta, it's not something. It is someone. So our junior KGA boys are all set to surprise us with their energy through a super fun, crazy frog dance. And guess what? Later, the girls will join them and with adorable moves, teaching these lively boys a few cute and graceful steps. Together, they will vibrate colors to the stage and keep the fun going till the every end. This dance has been choreographed by Nivedita and team. So parents, get ready to laugh, clap and enjoy their playful energy. Here, I welcome our dancing robots from Junior KGA onto the stage. So
Let's
parents,
cheer for them. Come on, parents.
Bing bing bam dum dum bum bam 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 bum 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 bum.
What's going on?
Ding ding. Crazy. Ding ding. Bam bam. Ding 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 ding.
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में, तगड़ी तड़क भड़क में, ओले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में। छतरी न थी बगल में, आया ही ना अकल में कि भागे हम या भीगे हम अकड़ में। तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो, चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना हो। अटेंशन का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा, वही मुझे पासा तेरी ऐसी की होता है जिंदगी। का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा, वही मुझे पासा चिरकुट जिंदगी you know।
दीवाना ओ देखेगा जमाना, ओ मोरी सुफियाना सी पाटिया। ओ नाचेगा दीवाना ओ देखेगा जमाना, ओ मोरी सुफियाना सी पाटिया। फिकर भुला के तू कमर हिला के और नच ले मेरे संग साथिया। कोई मुझे रोको जरा, हार्ट का बीट बढ़िया, मन चढ़या डांस का, मनु चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या, मनु चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या। मेरा लड़या इश्क का बेंच लड़या, मनु चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या, डांस का भूत चढ़या, मनु चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या। मेरा लड़या इश्क का बेंच लड़या, मनु चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या। आढ़ा टेढ़ा डांस मेरा अच्छा लगे तुमको तो, जैसे मैं करता हूँ वो कॉपी करो। है ये गाना बड़ा, इससे बार बार मैं रिपीट करे। मैनू चढ़या डांस का, मैनू चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या, मैनू चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या। मेरा लड़या इश्क का बेंच लड़या, मैनू चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या, डांस का भूत चढ़या, मैनू चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या।
Drop it.
कोई मुझे रोको जरा, नच नच के हार्ट का बीट बढ़िया। मैनू चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या, मैनू चढ़या डांस का भूत चढ़या। मेरा लड़या इश्क का
Dare I say that was an absolutely frogtastic and full of fun? Our tiny dancers made us smile with their boundless energy and adorable expressions. Let's give them a big, loud round of applause. Oh, I wish we could make them, perform again, but due to time constraints,
No, we have upcoming performances and
Yes, we have more
might be late for us.
Okay, Supraja, watching the children perform with so much energy is reminding me of my college days. I truly miss them. For a moment, I felt like going back and reliving those wonderful moments.
So, of course, Shweta, even I miss those golden days too, and most of us parents also. Do you agree with me, parents? Do you miss your college days, parents? Yes. They were truly some of best moments in our life. Yes?
True.
Yeah. So, I loved sitting on the last bench, the friends, the fun, college events, and little mischief, secret chats in the library. So not so serious lab discussions and that emotional farewell. Such unforgettable memories. Sometimes I really wish we could go back and relive those carefree days once again.
That's so true. College days are truly unforgettable. Friends, parties, fun, and endless masti. Though we can't bring those days back, the memories will always stay close to our hearts. I really cherish those carefree moments.
So, well, Shweta, no need to miss them anymore because we are about to relive those golden memories. Our junior KGB children are here with jolly beats and cheerful moves that will remind us of our college days, friends, fun, naughty moments, and those funny last bench memories. So this dance has been choreographed by Prakriti Jaidev and Pahel. Now here I welcome our Chill Pill gang from Junior KG B onto the stage. So parents, please put your hands together to welcome our Chill Pill gang onto the stage.
जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई ना जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होठ घुमा सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया अरे भैया अरे चाचू अरे भैया
दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है गुदगुदी कर रही हवा हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें खुशियों की मिली है वजह कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है सौ बातें करता ये
हेलो हाय नमस्ते सलामा, आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा, बोरिंग लम्हों को कर दे गुलाबी, जश्न रुकने न देंगे जरा भी। अपना फेमस है याद आना, अपने संग तू भी आ जाना, छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना, जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना।
Everything's gonna be gold, man. Everything's gonna be gold, man.
हमसे ना वैसे वैसे पकड़ो ओहो, और दर्जन हित में जारी रहे, अपनी लिमिट में रहो। हेलो हेलो, अब तो हाँ अपनी बारी रे, लिटिल बिट झटका जिसे दिया वो लटका, फेमस होने लगी अपनी पागल बनती रे। पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है, पार्टी तो बनती है।
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ನಮ್ಮದು, ನಮ್ದೇ ಹಾವಳಿ ಯಾರ್ನೇನ್ ಕೇಳದು, ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಜು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ, ಶಿಳ್ಳೆ ಹೊಡೆಯಿರೋ ಇವರ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ। All of you sing it once again.
Parents, sing along.
ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ನಮ್ಮದು, ನಮ್ದೇ ಹಾವಳಿ ಯಾರನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳದು, ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಜು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ, ಶಿಳ್ಳೆ ಹೊಡೆಯಿರೋ ಇವರ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ, ಊರಿಗೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್, ನೆಲದಿಂದ ನೂರಡೆ
What a joyful and entertaining performance. I could see a lot of parents dancing in their seats. Our junior KG beach children truly brought back beautiful memories with their lively steps and bright smiles, didn't they, parents? Thank you, dear little ones, for filling the stage with happiness. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
So, Shweta, what was your dream when you were a child?
Well, my dream kept changing every 6 months, but to be grateful, I'm so happy where I am right now. And I believe every child here has a beautiful dream in their heart.
How lovely. Schools and colleges are not just about fun and masti. They were where we build lifelong memories, strong friendships, confidence, and especially the character. So in the same spirit, our senior KG children are ready to present a special performance filled with dreams, hope, confidence, and patriotism. These little stars remind us that every great achievement begins with a small dream and a tiny step forward. So this dance has been choreographed by Shushmita and Supreja. So let's encourage them with a big round of applause. Here, I welcome our dream chasers from senior KG onto the stage.
अभी क्यों निकाला आपने उसको?
Tadum 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 ta, tadum 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 ta. Tadum 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 ta, tadum 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 ta. Tadum 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 ta, tadum 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 ta. सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने है सपने अंबरांदे ए सपने अंबरांदे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर ना समंदरा दे फिर ना समंदरा दे ऐसी ऐसे खड़े है जाना पड़े ना कम हमको तो ऐसी सिद्धते अड़े जनूनी बड़े है दिल के ना बोल एक जिंदगी मेरी सहारिशा एक तुम्हें पूरी करा एक जिंदगी मेरी सहारिशा एक तुम्हें पूरी करा एक जिंदगी मेरी सहारिशा मुश्किल हमें रोकना
Let her live, let her smile, let her dream and touch the sky. Let her live, let her smile, let her dream and touch the sky. Touch the sky, touch the sky.
दिल चाहे भर लूड़ा और छू लो आसमां धरती से लेके अंबर तक मेरा सारा जहां दिल चाहे भर लूड़ा और छू लो आसमां धरती से लेके अंबर तक मेरा सारा जहां सच्चे सपनों का साथ है और ख्वाहिशें आजाद है सच्चे सपनों का साथ है और ख्वाहिशें आजाद है आशाओं के पर खुले हैं प्यारा है समा
जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। ज़मीन आसमानों में, ना ही मुमकिन है दो जहानों में, जज्बे इरादे और ये जुनून बनते हैं दिल के कारखानों में। पहुंच गए अंबर से आगे, धरती से फिर भी बंधे हैं धागे, रहते वतन की मिट्टी से जुड़ के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
That was a truly, wow, that was a truly inspiring and heart-touching performance. Our senior KG children beautifully showcased confidence, teamwork, love for the nation, and big dreams in their little hearts. Let's appreciate them with a proud and cheerful round of applause. So what's next, Supraja?
So now we have one final performance, yet very special performance, as our kindergarten superstars have something wonderful to share with all of us. So let us warmly welcome all our junior and senior kindergarten superstars onto the stage. So parents, please
put your hands together.
1, 2, 3, 4. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all.
ladies and generous gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the show. So how's it? Once again, thank you so much. So now we have to conclude our show. It's time about to 9. So obviously we are tired and our children are also tired. So we need rest. So as we come to the conclusion of today's joyful celebration, we extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone who made this annual day very special to all of us. Our appreciation to our dedicated teachers for their hard work and loving guidance, and to our non-teaching staff for their valuable support behind the scene. So above all, a big round of applause to our little ones who fulfilling the stage with a joy and confidence. So last but not the least, a big thank you to our wonderful parents for your constant support and encouragement. Your presence and applause means so much to our little stars, and they would like to thank each one in their life who makes their day really special. Thank you all. Good night. Shubhratri.